I have taken my time to break down how to tie simple round gele like this. We are not using any measurement. You just carry your gele, place it from front to back, tie it. You see, we are not doing any this thing. Just tie it very well. Now you flip it backward. You see, you flip it backward. This is how the back should look like. Now, look at my hand. You pull from back to front. You see, you just pick from back. You drag it to the front. Yes, I will break it down so that even the 12 years old child see this video will be able to tie. You see, you adjust it again. You can do more than 3, but I think I did like 4. You see, you pull it. Yes, 4. You drag it to the front again and you adjust. You see this other part that was on my left hand side. Yes, on my left hand side. I took it to the right. So wherever your destiny is, you just take it to the other side. Now you flip it over. You flip it on it like this. You see how the back is, ba? You now open it. You see that shorter part, the shorter one that will first tied. This is it. You see the remaining one. You now tie it with the longer one that you cross. You see, tie it very well. Tie it very well, oh. Before you go and dance, it now scatter. You can decide to leave it open or you can decide to cover your gele, but I'll cover mine. Now, you see how the back, this is the back. The back is not like the first one. Okay, so you bring it to the front and you start you start making your plate rather. You see the way I'm doing my hand. You pick, you bring, you pick, you bring. Just say you're picking it, you're bringing it down. You're picking it, you're bringing it down. Picking it, you're bringing it down. You now adjust it again. You see the same line, those lines you created, you follow it. You do the same for the left hand side, and then you go to the right hand side and adjust. You do the same thing. Your hand will pain you kind of, but it's worth it. So you adjust again, adjust. Very simple. Then you now, after adjusting it, you bring the one on your right hand and the one on the left hand side. Okay, you're still making your adjustments again because it was it's scattered when we're trying to arrange it. So this is what I'm saying. You now pin them together. This is my pin. You pin and you arrange it again. See, it's very simple. This thing is not hard. I wonder why people are saying it's hard. It is not. When you are consistent, you'll be able to tie this. Don't just leave your gele at home. If you have gele right now, after seeing this video, just go and bring it and try this thing. It's very simple. See, I've covered my gele, but if I want to leave it open, you can still leave it. So you now pull it backward. This is it, and this is the final look. You can decide to leave it like this. If you want to do another style, you can leave it like this. But no, I don't want it. I want the round gele. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to save this video.